Hello guys, today our topic, the most important topic. So Gabriel Phthalimide Synthesis and mechanism. So this is the preparation of primary amines. So in this concept you have to prepare the amines for two methods. That is, one is Gabriel Phthalimide Synthesis, another is Hofmann bromide. I already told and description lo link undi, then check cheskondi. So this is the named reaction and most important topic for BSc and MSc students. JEE means another NEET entrance exam. They will be asked what is the preparation of primary amines. Explain to any two preparation methods. So you have to choose Gabriel Phthalimide synthesis. So this is the most important topic. So description link ఉంది, దాన్ని చెక్ చేసుకోండి. రిలేటెడ్ టాపిక్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ నేమ్డ్ రియాక్షన్స్ ఈజ్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ అవర్ ఛానల్. సో సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ కనిపిస్తుంటాయి. సో కమింగ్ టు ద టాపిక్, ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రైమరీ అమీన్స్ ఆర్ Gabriel Phthalimide synthesis. So in this method is to prepare aliphatic primary amines. So what is this method is used to prepare aliphatic primary amines. So in this method phthalimide is treated with alcoholic KOH to give potassium salt of phthalimide. In this first step, in this method phthalimide is treated with alcoholic KOH to give potassium salt of phthalimide. In this second step, potassium salt of phthalimide is treated with alkyl halide to give N-alkyl phthalimide. So in this third step, N-alkyl phthalimide hydrolysis with KOH or NaOH to give primary amines, right? So in this, what is the reaction? So in this first reaction is, you have to write first reaction, then phthalimide. So this is the phthalimide structure, guys. So this is the phthalimide. So in the presence of KOH, it gives so in this you have to primary amines. So this is the first step, and also reaction and mechanism also like this only. So mechanism, obstruction of proton, that means step 1. So I want to explain. So this is the first step, guys. So you could not write like this. So first step I will explain like this. So obstruction of proton in step 1. So you have to write phthalimide. What is the structure of phthalimide? You have to write C double bond O, C double bond O, NH. So here synthesis and mechanism they will ask. So what is the synthesis? Synthesis is the like this procedure, and mechanism I want to explain. So primary amine preparation. So what is the mechanism? So phthalimide, first step in this method is used to prepare aliphatic primary amines, and in this first step in this method phthalimide is treated with aliphatic KOH. So you have to write first step aliphatic KOH. So what happens? To give potassium salt of phthalimide. So to give potassium salt of phthalimide. So in this this is the phthalimide. So it is reacted with KOH, right? So in this KOH, K is plus and OH is minus. Step 1, abstraction of proton. So what happen here? Abstraction of proton. In this NH plus, H plus is proton, N minus. So what happens here? Always negative nucleophile is reacted with plus. So always react with the K plus, and then that means abstraction of proton, that means H plus is the proton. So what is the first step? Abstraction of proton. So OH minus is there. In this OH minus is reacted with H, and again this bond is converted like this. So what happen here? So what happened here? So here what happened? C double bond as usual and C double bond as usual. So here nitrogen have. So what happened? Abstraction of proton. So in this K H place lo what happen here? K plus is, and what happen? H and OH, it will be give H2O byproduct. So abstraction of proton, this is the step 1 and step 2. So attack of amide ion. So what happened here? Step 2 is attack of amide ion. So you have to write. In this second step is this is the potassium salt or N-alkyl phthalimide. So what happened here? Second step, potassium salt of phthalimide is treated with alkyl halides. What is the alkyl halides? So RX, that means the alkyl halide. Then it give N-alkyl phthalimide. Potassium salt. So what happened in this potassium salt? So you have to write potassium salt potassium salt. The structure is like this. So what happens in second step? So this will be reacted with alkyl halides, that means RX. So R is plus, X is minus, that means R is alkyl, X is halide. So alkyl halide. So what happens here? R plus is reacted with nitrogen. So what happens here? Minus Kx. This R is reacted with the nitrogen, so attached with the nitrogen, and what happens here? K plus X minus is removed. So what is the structure? C double bond O, C double bond O, nitrogen. What happened? R is reacted with the nitrogen, that means R is attached to nitrogen and removal of K and X, so minus KH. So this is the structure of N-alkyl phthalimide. So this is the N-alkyl phthalimide second step, and the third step is N-alkyl phthalimide hydrolysis with KOH or NaOH to give primary amines. So third step is, so what happened here? Hydrolysis. This is the N-alkyl phthalimide. So this what happen is reacted with NaOH or hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means what? That is H2O. So what happens here? Hydrolysis H2O, then it will be reacted with H plus OH minus, right? C double bond O, C double bond O, N, N. Sorry. So what happen here? ONA is reacted with C double bond O, ONA, and again ONA. That means what? Hydrolysis on. Then this primary amines ante R, N, H2. That means hydrolysis. What happens here? H plus OH minus. Then we have to prepare the primary amines. What happens? R, N, H2. So then R, N, H2. Then what happens here? ONA is this ONA is one side, and this ONA is one side. So this is the primary amine. So this is the process of hydrolysis. In the when hydrolysis, H2O is removed to H plus OH minus. So this is the hydrolysis. So it can form the primary ion. So this is the preparation of primary ion. This is the step 3. So note what happened here. Aromatic primary amines. So aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared. This is the note. Cannot be prepared by this method. So what happened here? Aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method. Only aliphatic primary only this method you have to use. Why? Because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. That's why aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method. So this is the most important topic, guys. So full videos, all related topics and all semester exam topic we have in our channel. So సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ కనిపిస్తుంటాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్.